Your words become someone else's inner voice. Think back to something someone said to you years ago. Maybe it encouraged you, maybe it hurts you. Isn't it amazing how words can stay with us for decades? Words are powerful. Teachers' encouragement can inspire a career. A parent belief can build confidence. A cruel comment can create insecurity that lasts for years. Nowadays, people speak quickly, they comment quickly, they criticize quickly, but few people realize the weight their words carry. Your words can become someone's confidence or someone's self doubt. Your words can become someone's courage or someone's fear. You may never know which sentence changes a person's life. That's why we should choose our words carefully. That's why we should encourage more, judge less, correct with kindness, compliment sincerely, apologize quickly. That's why we should speak hope. Because every conversation leaves something behind. Ask yourself, when people leave a conversation with me, do they feel lighter or heavier? Do they feel more hopeful or more discouraged? Your voice has an influence. Use them wisely. The world already has enough negativity because someone whose words heal more than the hurts becomes someone whose words heals more than the hurts. So my challenge is, before speaking this week, pause and ask yourself, will these words build this person up or tear them down? Then choose the words that leave people stronger than you found them. The world doesn't need more famous people, it just needs more good people. If I ask you today what success looks like, what would you say? Would it be a big house, a luxury car, millions of followers, a successful business? Those things aren't wrong to want anyway. But here is the question that changed my perspective. What if success isn't measured by how many people know your name, but by how many lives are better because you existed? Fame has become one of the biggest goals in today's world. Everyone wants to go viral, everyone wants attention, everyone wants recognition. But very few people ask, am I becoming a good person? Because history does not only remembers famous people, it remembers people who made a difference. The teacher who believed in a struggling student, the nurse who treated every patient with compassion, the coach who inspired confidence, the neighbor who helped without being asked. Those people may never trend online, but they change the world every day. Your greatest achievements may never be something that appears on a screen. It might be raising kind children, it might be helping a friend, even if it's one person, through depression, or mentoring someone who had nobody else. Because success without character is empty, and character without recognition is still valuable. So don't chase attention, chase significance, because long after people forget what you owned, they will remember how you made them feel. So my challenge is this week, do something meaningful for someone who can never repay you. Stop waiting for life to slow down. How many times have you told yourself, I will be happy after I graduate, after I got promoted, after I earn more money, after life becomes less busy? But here is the truth, life doesn't magically slow down. I think there's somebody behaving like a baby around my where I'm recording my video. So if you hear background noise, engineer, please, thank you. Life doesn't magically slow down. There will always be another goal, another responsibility, another challenge. If you keep postponing joy, if you keep postponing your joy, you may spend your whole life waiting. Because happiness isn't found only at the finish line. It's found in ordinary moments, sharing dinner with a family, watching a sunset, laughing with friends, working without checking your phone. Life isn't just the milestones, it's everything in between. Don't rush through today trying to arrive at tomorrow, because tomorrow eventually becomes another today. Be present. Notice the conversations. Notice the people. Notice the little victories. Because one day you will realize that the moment you rush through will actually the moment that matter the most. So my challenge is choose 1 hour this week to live completely in the present. No phone, no rushing, just fully experience where you are and who you are with. You teach people how to treat you. Have you ever noticed that some people are constantly disrespected while others naturally receive respect? Sometimes the difference isn't luck, it's boundaries. Every time you accept disrespect without speaking up, you silently teach people that it's acceptable. Every time you constantly sacrifice your peace to keep others comfortable, you teach others that your needs comes last. Boundaries aren't about controlling other people. They are about protecting your well-being. They say this is how I deserve to be treated. This is because respect begins with self-respect. If you don't value your own time, why should anyone else value your time? If you constantly tolerate behavior that hurts you, people will assume you will continue tolerating it. Have you seen when you try to tolerate things, it keep getting worse? Look, healthy boundaries they don't push good people away. They reveal who truly respects you. The people who genuinely care about you will adjust. The people who only benefit from your lack of boundaries may become uncomfortable, and that's okay. You weren't created to be everyone's convenience. You were created to live with dignity, to protect your values, protect your self respect, because the relationship you have with yourself teaches the world how to treat you. So, my challenge is identify one boundary you've been avoiding and communicate it respectively this week. Your comfort zone is becoming your prison. Yes, I said so. Comfort feels safe. That's why we love it. The same routine, the same excuses, the same habits, the same life. But here is the problem. Everything you want is usually just outside that your comfort zone. But you want to be in the comfort zone. But your desires are outside of it. The confidence you want is outside of it. It comes after speaking when you are nervous. The opportunity you want is outside of it. The opportunities you want, they come after taking risks. The healthier life you want, it begins with uncomfortable discipline. Many people aren't stuck because they are incapable, they are stuck because they are too comfortable. Comfort whispers, stay here. Why growth whispers, there is more. Every successful person you admire had moments where they felt unprepared, where they felt scared, uncertain, but they moved anyway. Fear isn't a stop sign, it's often a sign that you are about to grow. If you only do what feels comfortable, 5 years from now, your life may look exactly the same. Because growth requires temporary discomfort, but regret lasts much longer. Don't let comfort quietly steal your potential. So, my challenge is do one thing this week that genuinely scares you but moves your life forward.